How to remove bank or card from Cash App account. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to remove bank account or card from your Cash App account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, in the top right corner you'll be able to see a profile icon. You need to click on it. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to your profile page. Right in between there is an option as linked bank. You need to click on it. As you click on linked bank, next interface you'll be able to see the card and the bank account linked to your Cash App account. You'll need to select whether you want to remove your bank account or your debit card. In case if you have a multiple account linked to your Cash App, then you'll need to select the particular bank account or the credit card that you want to remove. As soon as you select it, and right in center a pop-up appears, and from here you need to select whether you want to remove bank account or replace your bank account. If you want to replace your bank account, then you'll need to provide other information or your secondary bank account's detail. Only then you'll be able to replace your bank account. If you want to remove your bank account, then all you need to do is click on remove bank, and next interface you'll have some confirmation, and then you've successfully removed your bank account or your card from your Cash App account. And that is how you can remove bank account from Cash App. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.